This is a 5-minute screencast for Rheingold U on the use of forums in online learning. A forum is sometimes called a discussion board or threaded discussions. It's a way of organizing asynchronous, that is, not at the same time, comment threads so that a group of people, 5 people or 30 people or 300 people, can have a large number of discussions, 3 or 300 different discussions about a large number of topics. Because the number of people times the number of topics times the number of days that you continue really adds up, this is a much more effective way of organizing discussions that can last for days or weeks or even years than using an email group. So a forum in the social media classroom is reached by clicking on the forum tab at the top of the screen, and that'll bring you to the home page for the forums. This is for the Introduction to Mind Amplifiers course, and I've just started creating forums and discussions here. So you can see that there are 2 different forums. Think of them as containers for discussions about a similar topic. And you can see that there's the number of topics and number of posts listed, and you can go directly to the topics or the posts by clicking on these numbers, or you can go directly to the newest forum post. There's a button up here that says no unread posts. If somebody had posted a comment since the last time I checked, and this is unique for each registered user, it will have a badge here that says see all unread posts. So it'll take you to the first unread post, and that's usually the way you want to navigate these things. There's a kind of rolling present. It's why it pays to check a forum daily or multiple times a day instead of just once a week, so you won't be overwhelmed. So if I go to the forum about discussions about the subject matter of this course, you'll see that again there are a number of topics, sometimes known as discussion items or threads, which are again simply collections of comments. Again, you can get there by clicking on the name of the forum. If there were replies, I could click here, here, or it would bring you to the first unread post. So I'm going to go to this forum topic that I've just discussed and showed that you can create a comment very easily. So I'm going to actually embed a video here. I'm going to introduce it. And of course you can select your material and use the formatting bar just as you use in editing anything else online. Because I want to embed a video, I'm going to click on this little source link here, and I'm going to put my embed code in. That's not the embed code that I want. It's this. And then I'm going to post that comment. And you'll see that the comment is now available as I posted it, and I could click on the video and
talk about control devices. We'll use this overhead camera shot
and see it and hear it. There's a kind of indexing of where I've been through these breadcrumbs up here, so I could go back to the main page for the Mind Amplifiers discussions, or I could go back to the main page that shows all the forums. Forums are really about group voice. I'd say that a blog is something in which the individual poster communicates with a public. A public can comment, can link to your post, can correct you, can give you information that you may seek. Much more active than an audience. But a forum is really about a group voice. It's not just an individual author communicating with a public. It's about the entire group working together to create a discussion that is greater than the sum of its parts. So it's not just a matter of posting your dazzling little essay on the subject. You need to keep in mind everything that everybody else has said, and